This is the Avantree Audikast 4860. Wireless speakers for TV that doubles as an FM radio. The Audikast 4860 is great for seniors with its clear voice mode, low latency, and long range. Introducing the Avantree Audikast 4860. First, there are two buttons for numbers 1 and 2. The 1 button is the pairing button for the speakers, and the 2 button is the pairing button for a second device. Next to the buttons are the Bluetooth connection indicators, and the row above contains the audio input indicators. The bottom row contains the codec indicators. On the back side of the transmitter are the DC and power port, the optical and aux audio ports, and the power switch. On the front of the speakers, you will find a screen and various function buttons used for playback control, pairing, and more. On the top of the speakers are an extendable antenna and a keypad of number buttons for the FM radio. On the side is the volume dial, which is also used as the power switch. Below that is the Type-C charging port, the wired headphone port, and the 3.5mm aux audio input port. Step 1. Connecting the transmitter to your TV. First, connect the transmitter to a power source using the USB cable provided. We recommend TV USB port. There are 3 ways to connect the transmitter to your TV: optical, 3.5mm aux, and RCA. Check your TV's audio output port. Which one do you have? Please pick one, only one. If you have an optical out port on your TV, simply connect the transmitter's optical port to your device, using the optical cable we provided. If you decide to go with aux port, connect the transmitter to your TV's headphones jack using the auxiliary cable we provided. If you have a TV with red and white audio out ports, please utilize an RCA adapter and an auxiliary cable to connect the transmitter. Insert the cable with the adapter into the aux port on the back, and connect the other end to the RCA out ports on your device. Step 2. Connecting the speakers to the transmitter. First, power on the transmitter by flipping the switch on the back. Next, rotate the volume dial clockwise on the speakers to power it on. The LCD screen will light up. The speakers will automatically connect to the transmitter, and the Bluetooth icon on the transmitter next to the 1 button will turn solid blue. Normally, the speakers will automatically connect with the transmitter once turned on. If not, click the Bluetooth button on the speakers once. Step 3. Adjust TV audio settings. Optical connection. Set TV sound out to optical or digital audio out. Set audio input and output format to PCM or stereo. If your TV is one of the following brands, and you're having trouble setting the sound format on your TV to PCM, go to the Avantree website where we have detailed steps for each TV brand. aux or RCA connection. TV sound out settings with headset or external speaker selected. First, rotate the volume dial clockwise to on, and the LCD screen will light up. Then, click the FM button once to enter FM mode. If this is your first time use, it will start to auto search channels. Please wait until the auto scanning is complete. Then press the forward and back buttons to choose your desired channel. You can also directly input the channel frequency using the number keypad. For example, if you want FM 102.5, press the number sequence 102.5. You can save your favorite channels. First, find the channel you'd like to save, then press and hold the number you'd like to save it under. The screen will display the text channel saved. And now you've saved your channel under that number. Click the corresponding button on the number keypad to play the saved channel. First, rotate the volume dial clockwise to on. Press and hold the Bluetooth button for 2 seconds to enter Bluetooth pairing mode. Next, go to your device's Bluetooth settings. Search for and select Avantree Soundbite Plus to connect. Now, you should be good to go. You can charge the speakers using any standard USB port with 5V 1A output via the Type-C charging cable included. The battery icon on the LCD screen will flash while charging, and stop flashing once charging is complete. You can buy any accessories that you need on the Avantree website, including charging cables, audio cables, and more. All Avantree products have a 24-month warranty when purchased directly from Avantree.com. If you purchase through other channels such as Amazon, you can extend the warranty to 24 months by registering on our official website. If you think this video is helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell to stay notified on our new product launches. Thanks for watching.